Hi everyone, it's me, Rosemary Miller, and welcome back to our next episode. The crypto market cap is just over $890 billion, which is down about 4% over the last day. Bitcoin is in the $20,000 range, which is down about 3% on a daily scale, and Ethereum is around 1100, down over 7% for the day. On to our leaders and laggards. Luna up over 60% on a daily scale. Leo up 2% over the last day, and our final leader Monero is down less than 1%. On to our laggards. Aave is down 9% over the last 24 hours. Zilliqua is down just under 9%. And Shiba Inu is down a little over 6% for the day. Kicking off the news today, Sam Bankman Fried, the founder of FTX, recently provided BlockFi and Voyager Digital $750 million in credit lines. He warns that he knows of even more crypto firms that are secretly insolvent. Here's our very own Stephen Ehrlich interviewing Sam Bankman Fried.
In my discussion with Bankman Fried, we talked about the current levels, the current areas of contagion, and why he chose to deploy his company's balance sheet in order to rescue some of those firms. When I asked him about future areas of contagion, he pointed to what he said, some of these third-tier exchanges. He did not specify where or mention any names, but most people do not realize that there's over 600 cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Especially in the US, you'll hear names like Coinbase and Kraken and FTX US, Binance US, et cetera. But there's very little regulation. There's very little coordinated regulation around the world. And it's hard for customers that give their funds to exchanges in all different countries to know that those customer funds are going to be secured and that they're not going to be misappropriated or rehypothecated for other purposes. There are plenty of horror stories about founders absconding with customer funds, or even perhaps well-meaning executives at some of these exchanges. They may choose to lend out those funds because they know that they only have to produce a small percentage of their total capital base on any given day to meet withdrawals, and they might try to generate additional yield as a way to supplement their income. Of course, everything is fine and dandy when markets are all going up and to the right, but now that we're seeing crashes and liquidations, there is a risk that customers are going to look to withdraw their funds from some of these exchanges, and if they've been overextended, they could prove to be insolvent, which is what Bankman Fried is warning about right now.
And speaking of that, crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital has become insolvent. A British Virgin Islands court has reportedly ordered its assets to be liquidated. This comes after crypto broker Voyager Digital said it issued a notice of default to Three Arrows Capital on Monday. The company failed to make payments on an approximately $675 million loan. Three Arrows Capital has not yet responded to Forbes' request for a comment. Circle Internet Financial, the issuer of the dollar-pegged stablecoin USDC, is issuing a euro-pegged stablecoin EuroC tomorrow. EuroC is designed to adhere to the same operational and regulatory standards as USDC. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter @ForbesCrypto.